Hey guys, today I'm going to tear down a genuine Sony battery. It's VGP-BPS8 11.1 volts and 4800 milliamp hours. It is for quite a few Sony Vaio laptops. I will include that information in the description. So let's see what cells Sony uses. Well, of course, Sony uses Sony cells. Let's take them out and see what's wrong with the battery. The strips come off quite easily, which is nice for me. Okay, wow, I did scratch this one quite a lot. Let's see, just this one. Okay, let's test them. This one seems okay. This one is okayish. This one is okay. All of them seem to work just fine, so I will test them on the opposite charger and see if they hold their energy. There should be 2400 milliamp hours, is the total is 48. The module is SE US18650GR. It's G7, I think. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching. You can subscribe and like this video, please. Bye.